hadn't gone electric.
The policemen of the city wear a uniform of blue, walking within the city's border, protecting all the people, that's what they're paid to do. Maintaining law and order. At the police academy, they're training for the pay, where the rookies are learning to be colder, learn to be as hard as the hard world that they face. Maintaining law and order. You see them walking down the street, swinging round the club, and the pistols hanging loosely from the holster, and written on the badges is a silent stain of blood. Maintaining law and order. Now in many southern cities they don't need to use their hands. Oh, they throw them roughly in the corner and tell the other prisoners, here's a nigger-loving man. Maintaining law and order. Now I'll be the first to tell you that their pay is not the best. Oh, they all have a wife and must support her, so the gamblers and the prostitutes are paying them the rest, while they maintain law and order. These are bitter words of anger, and they have to leave me sad, 'cause a cop may save my life tomorrow, but it's really for the good man that I'm singing about the bad. We're maintaining law and order. Now they ask for greater power from the bottom to the top. Their demands are daily growing bolder, but who'll maintain the police and who'll maintain the cops?